OnePlus 6 Avengers Limited Edition looks great, but UK fans face disappointment. The OnePlus 6 Avengers Limited Edition smartphone has just been released, but you might find it very hard to own one. The OnePlus 6 was unveiled earlier this week, with the device packed with flagship features at a very reasonable price. 3 styles were revealed at launch, including white and black variants, but fans can now get their hands on a very exclusive version of the phone. The OnePlus 6 Avengers Limited Edition has just been added to the range with the superhero smartphone, including a Kevlar-style pattern and a gold Avengers emblem on the back. OnePlus has also added a gold mute switch on the side for a bit of Tony Stark bling. The limited edition Avengers phone comes with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, and it can be yours for 4,199 yuan, around £500. It's currently unclear which countries will get the OnePlus 6 Avengers phone, but reports suggest India and China could be first on the list. If previous special editions are anything to go by, it seems unlikely the UK will ever get to see this new Avengers phone. The firm unveiled a OnePlus 5T to celebrate the launch of Star Wars Episode VIII: The Last Jedi in December 2017. The limited edition handset had a white rear case, with the red Star Wars logo etched onto the back. OnePlus also included crimson volume buttons and alert slider, but this device was only available in China for a very limited time. Although the Avengers phone might be tricky to buy, the standard OnePlus 6 will be here in just a few days' time. This flagship-killing phone will go on sale across the world from May 22 and will be available via pop-up stores, the OnePlus website, and on contract with O2. Specs include a giant 6.28-inch edge-to-edge display, fast Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, and all-glass design. There's also a dual-lens rear camera, fast-charging battery, and improved waterproofing. These different models arrive in a number of colors and styles, and here's the full list below. OnePlus 6 Mirror Black 64 GB, £469. OnePlus 6 Mirror Black 128 GB, £519. OnePlus 6 Midnight Black 128 GB, £519. OnePlus 6 Midnight Black 256 GB, £569. OnePlus 6 Silk White 128 GB, £519. OnePlus 6 and 64 GB, 128 GB, and 256 GB storage options will be available on OnePlus.com in North America and in Europe on May 22. The limited edition Silk White with 128 GB of storage will be available for purchase on June 5.